Hello students, welcome to the session 7 of the poem As a Son My Daughter, which is composed by Sampurna Chatterjee, and it is prescribed for third semester BSc students in their General English syllabus by Bangalore North Inner City. In first 6 sessions, we have been studied the poem in a different terms, and you were able to understand the poem in terms of its meanings, technical arrangement of the poems, and the poet also we have studied, and forms of the poems we have studied, and critically we appreciated the poem As a Son My Daughter. In this unit, you are going to have some textual questions based on these sessions. In this unit test, teacher has choices. Teacher can be provide the following sample questions for the unit test. The following set of questions are included 2 marks, 5 marks and 10 marks. Teacher can choose any of these textual questions and give it for a unit test, right? The questions, 2 marks questions where students need to answer in 1 or 2 sentences each, right? The question goes like this. The poem is addressed to the daughter, son, mother, father. The answer is daughter. What is the healer loved for? The healer is loved for the daughter smiles here. Third one is the daughter will be a composer of dash. The daughter will be a composer of dreams, concrete dreams, right? So which mysteries does the daughter reveal? She wants to reveal the mysteries, split the gene here. So 5 marks questions would be, in 5 marks questions that students need to answer in 80 to 100 words, maybe 1 page or certain few paragraphs. Let's see the questions. What are the dreams and aspirations of the mother for her daughter? These questions we already discussed in the 3rd, 4th and 5th sessions, right? Where question answer session was there. We have already studied these questions. Why does the speaker want her daughter to be all that she is not? This question also we have studied in our session 6, where we clearly made the difference between mother features, mother qualities and the daughter's condition here. Explain the reasons for bringing up a daughter like a son. This question answer also we have discussed in our previous sessions, where what are the reasons behind that mother wanted to bring or raise her daughter as a son. Throughout the poem, while appreciating the poem, critically analyzing the poem, we have studied these points. So understanding all these points and understanding the entire poem, students are requested to go through all those sessions and study materials to answer these textual questions, right? Let's see the last term here, the 10 marks question. In the 10 marks question, students are requested to write 200 to 250 words, nearly 2 pages or 3 pages each, and they are requested to make several paragraphs also. And this question mainly, it covers the entire analysis of the poem, right? Entire understanding of the poem. So there is a noticeable difference between the mother and the daughter. Are they brought up in 2 different milieux? Comment. So this question we have studied in our session 6 also, where there was a question answer session, discussion session. Again, I request all the students to go through those sessions for answering this question. I would say thank you for listening. Now it's time to say bye-bye. All the best for your test. Thank you for listening once again.